Yeah, g'day, it's Chris O. We're on to another one. What I'm doing in this ensuite is I'm going to be taking out this shower screen, stripping out these tiles. I'm going to build a niche here. It's going to be a nice shower. I'm keeping the step. They still would like their step down into the shower, which is always brilliant for waterproofing and that sort of thing, because I don't have to worry about the aluminium water stop. We do a skirting around there. The vanity is staying. They're going to have a new toilet put in there. I do the splashback and we're laughing. In the laundry, the owners have taken out the tub. I'm doing a new floor. I'm going straight over the top. I'll trim the doors. So I'll be putting a primer down on the floor. Trim these doors. They are going to be building a new cabinet here. So they probably have a Perspex splashback cut and fitted. So that's what we're doing there. When I come back after the ensuite's in operation, I'll be doing this toilet. The toilet comes out, they have a new toilet, so it'll be a new floor, trim the door, new skirting tile. It'll be like just like a new bath, new toilet. This will still be going while I'm working in the ensuite. Once that's up and running, this will then be stripped out. So the shower screen comes out. Same sort of thing, it's a step down into the shower. I'll be building them or cutting out a nice niche for them. Everywhere where you see tiles, that's where I'm coming up to, or a little bit higher if I can. It'll all be waterproofed because they've got young children and they like playing a bit with water and that sort of thing as kids do. I'll be trimming the door, going over these tiles, using a flat bar at the door from a right height to cover the edge of the tile, putting in new smart wastes which I've got to pick up, and we're laughing.